Hello and welcome. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, sharing a simple and easy to cook beetroot curry. You need just a few ingredients to cook this recipe and it goes well with rice and roti both. I'm cooking in mustard oil. When oil is ready, add beetroot and carrot. Fry for a couple minutes. Then add potato and tomato. Fry for a couple more minutes. When the frying is done, add some turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder. Mix it well. Fry the spices in low heat and if required, add a little water. Cover and stir occasionally. The better you fry the spices, the better the gravy will taste. Fry till the spices turn aromatic. Add adequate water. Turn the flame to high. Mix it well. When gravy is well boiled, add some green peas. Add some salt to taste. Add some garam masala powder. You can check my recipe as well. Cook till 1 to 2 whistles. Cook in low heat. Check if you like the consistency. If you want it to be thicker, cook for some more time. Break and mash the potatoes if you like. Hope you liked today's recipe. Do let me know in the comments if you would like to try it. Please check my other recipes as well. Please consider subscribing if you like my way of cooking. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.